Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys, we'll show you how to remove and replace the key battery on a Jeep Compass. If you guys have a Jeep Compass, your key looks like that or close like that, the same shape. We'll show you how to remove and replace that key battery. Every vehicle that we get at the shop guys, we'll have more than 200 videos, so please guys subscribe. Our mission is to save you as much money as we can. So how you replace that battery now? Okay, you can see on the back side of the key, okay, you have that metal tooth. You need to slide it towards the outside and hold it there. Okay, check it out now. Slide it, it's spring loaded. And while you're holding it, pull your metal key out. Okay, like that. Now this is your key guys. This is the metal hole, okay, where the metal key goes in. Okay, this is the hole where the metal key goes in. This empty hole here guys, we'll get a flat head screwdriver. Okay, and we're going to pry sideways. Okay, and it came loose. Check it out. Now, right here, we're going to pry a little bit more, and the key will separate like that. This is where your battery is located. Now, how you remove it, guys? You come on the back side with a small screwdriver and just push that end up. Okay, I'll get the new battery now. The new battery will be listed in the description of the video below, and see where we get them from for a really good price. Now there is only one way you can install that battery, and it goes like that, in an angle, push in all the way down, because otherwise you're going to bend these little metal connectors. Now grab the top of your key, push in until you hear a click. Okay, and later grab your metal key and just push it in. So that's how you guys replace the key on Jeep Compass. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos, and see you guys next time.